Hello, my name is Stephen Cox, founder of TakeLessons. And over the past 10 years, we've helped tens of thousands of professional instructors just like you become entrepreneurs and build their business. We've also spent millions of our own dollars marketing to acquire hundreds of thousands of students. And we've learned a few things over time. And in this course, I'm going to introduce you to the secrets we learned on how to get the most from your marketing. You know, it's been said that the fastest way to improve is first to measure. And that's certainly the case for your marketing. The better you can measure your marketing, the more likely it is that you're going to see positive results. And in this program, you're going to learn the key marketing measurements you need to know, to understand, in order to know how to effectively spend your marketing dollars and make sure it's being spent wisely. Here's how the program's laid out. This course contains 8 videos, each between 5 and 15 minutes long. We've arranged the course so that each video contains one key component for you to understand. As you complete each video, you'll learn another key building block that will help you become more effective than ever before. At the end of each lecture, you'll also have an assignment. The assignments are set up for you to apply what you've learned right now to your own situation. Finally, when you get to the end of the course, you're going to be able to first understand how to measure the effectiveness of your marketing. You'll also be able to define CAC, LTV, ROAS, earnings per hour, and all kinds of neat acronyms. And you're also going to be able to compare your return between different marketing channels and know where you are best spending your money. By learning this, you will become more effective, more efficient, and you will be in the best position to earn more money. Doesn't that sound like fun? Well, it may look like a whole lot to take in, but we're going to break it down for you, and by the time this course is over, you're going to be on your way to putting your marketing dollars to work in the best way possible for your business. So let's get started, and I'll see you in the next video.